Hello guys, welcome to .NET Word by DT. In this video we are going to see MVC CRUD operation and we will create all this in just 5 minutes. So let's start. First we have to follow all these development steps. Okay, our first step is create SQL table with name employee table. So in our SQL server we will create one table and give it a name employee table. Okay, and next step is add field into employee table. So we will add ID, name, gender and city into our employee table. As you can see, in my employee table I have add ID, name, gender and city, and make your ID as a primary key and make identity specification yes. If you do not make identity specification yes, then it won't auto increment your row. Okay, our next step is create MVC application in Visual Studio. So create one MVC application in your Visual Studio and give it a name employee application. If you don't know how to create MVC application, then I have mentioned all those details in our description box. Okay, then our next step is create model using entity framework. Here we are using database first approach of entity framework, that's why we are created one table. Okay, now in our Visual Studio we will create one model. Just right click that, go to add new item, data and ADO.NET entity data model. Then give name to your model. According to your application, just specify name, add it, generate from database, then click on new connection. Okay, then mention your SQL server name over here. Select your database, test connection, then click on OK. Okay, now specify your entity name. Click on next. According to your database, it will fetch your table. Okay, in our SQL server we have created one table, employee table. As you can see over here, that table is represent. Just click that and click on finish. According to that, it will create one diagram of your employee table. That diagram is .edmx table and it will contain all your necessary field, that is ID, name, gender and city. Okay, as you can see, one employee table diagram get created. Okay, in this model two classes are important. First one is your employee table class, because it contain all your properties, that is ID, name, gender and city with get and set. Then your contains class which contain your employee table details, because this context class is help you to map this employee table with your database. Okay, this employee tables is the object of this employee table. Now our next step is create controller. Okay, then we will create one controller. Just click on controller, then right click it, go to add, then controller, then click on MVC5 controller with view using entity framework and click on add. As you can see in our model, both these classes are auto generated because we are using database first approach of entity framework, that's why. Okay, now just select our model. Before that, just build our application. Okay, then we will create one controller, go to add controller, then select MVC5 controller with view using entity framework, click on add, select your model class, that is employee table, then click on context class. What is our context class name? EMP app demo entities. Okay, so we will select that and just click on add. According to that, it will create your all view which are required for this application. Those are all scaffolding. Scaffolding means it will auto generate your all views or data that you required for your application. Okay, as you can see here, our controller get created. Okay, we then change the name of our controller, so just rename it. Okay, now as you can see, all, just let me change its name also, EMP app. Okay, as you can see, our employee app controller gets created. In this controller you can find all the action method those are required to perform operation like create, delete, details, edit. Okay, and in the view folder you can see all views are get created. So we will run this application. Go to app start, then route config file, just change controller. Our controller name is EMP app and just run your application. Okay, it will take some time to run our application. Okay, as you can see, our list view get created, that is name, gender and city. When I click on create new, it will open create view from our view section. Okay, as you can see, this view get open when I click on create new. If you want to know all this in description, please let me know in comment section, so I will make one another video for that also. Okay, if I had name over here David, gender male, then city London, and click on create. Okay, can you see David male London? You can see over here. Now again just click on create, add one another record. Okay, again click on create. Now you can see this edit details delete link over here. When I click on edit, you can easily edit this. Instead of London, I want to make it Chennai, then save it. Okay, as you can see, Chennai get modified. Okay, now if you want to see details, just click on that. You can see all details of that David. Okay, now again just click on back to list, then click on delete. It will ask, are you sure you want to delete this? Then click on delete, and you can see David is not there. So that's for today's guys. So thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, like and share it. Thank you.